Ryan Breton has our full look at the forecast. At least the temperatures are going in the right direction.
They sure are. I think the next few days is going to be really nice, but I'm just looking over some of the new data for the weekend. Why does the rain have to come in on weekends?
We have the same question for you.
I know. I don't think the weekend will be a washout, but the challenge over the next day or two will be trying to more specifically time out that rain. So we'll be doing that for you here. Right now out there, we do have a lot of clouds that have kind of filled in, but you still will see the disk of the sun through a lot of these clouds. And in some cases, there are halos around the sun because a couple of different layers of clouds. There are some that are higher up, these more milky clouds, and then you can see the lower level cumulus clouds that have developed in some cases too. It's warm, especially in the southwestern corner of the state. Low 70s, pretty common from Poland all the way down to Portsmouth and Berwick. And then through most of central Maine, we're close to 70 right now. A little bit of a sea breeze in places like Bar Harbor and Eastport, but we're 67 in Bangor and Howland, 64 in Millinocket right now. You can see the cloud cover that has filled in a little bit here, but we don't have many showers out there. One that just moved off the down east coast and another one that's maybe approaching the Jackman area. There may be an isolated shower the rest of the afternoon, but most will stay dry. Then this area of high pressure will control our weather tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, but it does start to break down on Saturday, and that's when the next front will arrive with some showers. So for the afternoon, I think temperatures may go up a couple more degrees from here. Most places landing in the low 70s. Skies will tend to clear out this evening, and it will be a cool night tonight, a comfortable night, but not quite as chilly as it was last night. If you saw the low temperatures this morning, if you were watching the morning report with Todd, there were some 30s in the valleys early this morning. I don't think that gets repeated again tomorrow morning. More sunshine out there tomorrow. Inland areas make a run toward 80 degrees. The only thing to watch at the coastline will be the possibility for some fog, especially from the mid-coast into down East Maine tomorrow afternoon. It'll just depend on where the wind kind of pushes this, if it does form, but otherwise we're looking at lots of sunshine through the day tomorrow. 80 possible for most inland areas tomorrow, and then along the coastline that southerly breeze keeps us cooler, especially true from Rockland through the down east coast. We're at the immediate water's edge. You may stay in the 60s, but from like Waldoboro and Damariscotta southwest, we should make it into the 70s on the coastline tomorrow. Thursday looks even warmer, and with more of a westerly breeze, we should hit 80 at the coastline on Thursday too. Mid-80s inland. Same story here on Friday. And then Friday night, the next front does come down from the north with a chance for some evening or nighttime showers in the mountains in northern Maine. I think it's dry and warm to the south Friday night. And then this front presses into the state on Saturday with scattered showers and even the chance for some rumbles of thunder, mainly in the afternoon as we see it now. There could be some in the morning in northern Maine. The problem is it doesn't look like this front wants to very quickly sweep through. And if that's the case, we'll start Sunday morning with clouds and some lingering showers. I'm hopeful we can get this front through, though, and dry it out Sunday afternoon. So we'll keep you posted on that. And either way, on the other side of the front, it is going to be cooler Sunday into early next week. Seas this afternoon, 1 to 3 feet with a southwest wind 5 to 10 knots on the water. So lots of sunshine the next 3 days. There are more clouds out there now, but I think tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday are going to be brighter. Inland areas could make it into the mid-80s. 82 may be a little low Thursday, Friday. I think even tomorrow we have a chance of hitting 80 degrees inland. And then for the weekend, I know it's a time of year with a lot of outdoor plans on the weekend. If you have plans, particularly Saturday afternoon or Sunday morning, we'll have to watch for the chance for rain. I don't think it's a chilly rain like we had last weekend, though. So at least we're stepping in the right direction in that way, guys.
Yes, because the cold rain was kind of painful.
Yeah.
So warm rain is at least a little better.
Exactly.
All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.